want to add liquidity to our partners' tokens and earn more of their tokens while doing so? Hi, I'm Tim, and today I will teach you what jungle farms are, and how to earn money with them. Jungle farms are a new feature created by ApeSwap to allow partner projects to incentivize their own liquidity by paying out their own tokens as rewards. With jungle farms, users who stake an LP that includes tokens from our partners get rewarded with more of the project token, instead of rewarding those LP holders with banana. To learn more about how farms work, check this video, link in description. Jungle farms, unlike banana farms and like most staking pools, have a predetermined end date. The amount of time that the jungle farm will remain available is shown next to the rest of the farm data. Are you interested in creating a jungle farm for your crypto project? Visit the partnerships page to get in touch with our business development team, link in description. To use jungle farms, you need to have LP tokens of one of the jungle farms. To make this, once you are in ApeSwap's homepage, go to Exchange. Now, make sure you have sufficient tokens of the pair in your wallet. Then, click Liquidity and Add Liquidity. In this case, we will add the WGICT and USDT pair, so we will select WGICT as first input and USDT as second input. Then, enter the amount you want to add on one of the tokens, the other one will be calculated automatically. Enable both tokens by clicking Enable WGICT and Enable USDT, and confirming the action in your wallet. Click Supply. Then, confirm supply, and confirm the action in your wallet. Now, you should have the LP tokens in your wallet. So, go back to ApeSwap's homepage, and in Stake, click Jungle Farms. There, select the farm you want to add LP tokens of. In this case it's WGICT and USDT, so click it, click Enable, confirm it in your wallet, and stake the LP tokens. You will automatically start to earn the partner tokens, and once you feel it's necessary, by clicking Harvest, you will receive them in your wallet. Whenever you want to withdraw the LP tokens, you can click the minus button, write the amount of LP tokens you want to withdraw, and confirm the action in your wallet. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.